welcome back to the garden. Today is Tuesday, December 13th. It's still getting darker earlier and earlier, so come on, let's plant. Today is day 3 of our December planting challenge. Now I planted radishes the other day very light, so we've got some coming up, but we also have a little room in this cold frame. What are the 2 things that don't push up through the mulch very well? That's right, lettuce and carrots. No, I'm not going to plant carrots today, but we are going to plant a lettuce and we are going to plant a Chinese celery. The lettuce I'm very confident in, and who doesn't like purple lettuce? This is the first time planting the Chinese celery, but what I understand is it does very well in the cool weather. So let's go ahead and get some of this in and we'll see what we get. We'll have some radishes in around this, but that's okay. And it rained very hard. If you saw the news, we had tornadoes come through Oklahoma this morning. So this is almost muddy. So I'm just barely making a little furrow in the mud. I'm going to do 1 furrow of lettuce and 1 furrow of celery. And I am going to go ahead and cover these tonight. Now those seeds are tiny. So we'll see what we get. Now it's got good soil contact. Now let's get a row of purple lettuce in. Those seeds are quite small too, but in comparison they're quite a bit bigger. I probably should have got the mud off my fingers. We're not going to put any mulch over this because the lettuce does not like to poke through. Oh. Yeah. Make sure our rows are inside our cold frame. Push that down. Get a little bit of mulch up around it. This is buttoned down. It's going to get down to 34 tonight, but the real cold weather starts in tomorrow night. So this is day 3, and we've got garlic, leeks, kohlrabi, that purple salad, and Chinese celery in. I did get a guess of cabbage, but right over here we've already got cabbage in the ground, and bok choy. I'm not going to say we're not going to plant more, but that's not what we were going to plant today. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think we're going to plant tomorrow. Regardless of the weather, my intention is still to get at least 1 wheelbarrow load of mulch out here and to plant at least 1 of the 10 things you can plant in December before the shortest day. Now, if we get a foot of snow, it might not be practical. Although we still have cold frames. We'll see what happens. I want to thank you for stopping by for this 3rd day of the December planting challenge. What a difference a day makes. Now, if you want to see how we planted garlic, click that link right there. And if you want to see how we planted lettuce and kohlrabi, click that link right there. And I'll meet you right back here in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.